ये वीडियो ओरिजिनली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है। इसे हिंदी में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चूज करें।
Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Do you know what the biggest reason behind a messy home really is? It's procrastination. When the house is slightly unorganized or a little messy, we keep ignoring it. We tell ourselves, it's okay, we will do it tomorrow. And when tomorrow comes, we push it to the next day, then the next, and slowly days pass, and the mess keeps increasing. After a point, we look at that space and start feeling like maybe I just can't stay organized. Finally, one day, with a heavy heart, we decide to clean and organize everything properly. But by then, it takes a lot of time, effort, and energy. And this cycle just keeps repeating. But what if I tell you that if you just give 2 to 5 minutes every day to quickly arrange and reset a space, it will never reach to that overwhelming level. You won't need those long, exhausting cleaning sessions. This is a simple micro habit that can help you keep your home consistently clean and organized. Sometime back, I shared a 5-minute decluttering video with you, and today I'm sharing 2 to 5 minutes organizing and reset. Here also, you don't have to think about anything else. Just focus on organizing. When we focus on one task at a time, the impact is much stronger and it does not feel overwhelming. So, let's get started. Let's talk about kitchen first. In most homes, the kitchen is not used by just one person. Apart from us, other family members, house help, or cooks also use it. And whether we like it or not, with daily cooking and movement, the kitchen countertop ends up looking messy. Appliances get shifted here and there. The tea and sugar jars are not placed properly. Water bottles and jugs are kept in a different direction than usual. The towel is just left casually on the countertop instead of hanging neatly. Basically, everything that normally belongs on the counter is still there, just not in its proper place. And that's what makes the kitchen look messy. Not because there are extra things, but because the same things are not arranged neatly. All you need to do is give it 2 minutes. Just quickly put everything back in its spot. Straighten the towel, align the jars, push the appliances back properly. And instantly you will see the difference. The same kitchen that looked messy a minute ago will suddenly look beautiful and well arranged. Just a simple reset. In the same way, our fridge also gets slightly unorganized with daily use. Every day, as we take things out and put them back in, items slowly start shifting here and there. I personally like to divide my fridge into zones. Each shelf is dedicated to a certain type of food, but sometimes things move around. One shelf's item end up on another shelf. Sometimes there are too many leftovers. And when a family member accesses the fridge, they may not always know where something belongs. So they just place it wherever there is space, which is completely normal. Because of this, the fridge starts looking messy and unorganized. And then when we need something, we spend extra time searching for it. So again, just give it 2 minutes, put everything back in its proper zone. Stack the containers neatly, adjust whatever looks out of place. And that's it. Your fridge will instantly look neat and organized again. A quick, simple reset makes all the difference. Next is the pantry, the place where we store all our food items. With daily use, it can easily start looking a little messy, especially during early morning rush hours when we are preparing tiffins for the kids and husband. Things can get disturbed very quickly. Sometimes in a hurry, we take out items from containers and put them back carelessly. If kids are looking for snacks, the whole pantry can get shuffled around. Half open snack packets, that's completely normal. And when we bring groceries home but don't have time to refill the jars, we often just place the packets inside and move on. All these small things slowly make the pantry look unorganized and cluttered. Most of us live with family, so a little mess here and there is very normal. But the idea is simple. Just take 2 minutes daily to quickly reset it. Put things back properly, close the packets neatly, align the containers. That way your stress and workload won't keep increasing. If daily is not possible, then at least once a week, give it 5 focus minutes and rearrange it properly. A small reset can save you from a big cleanup later. The living room is one space we all use the most. Sitting here through the day, watching TV, talking on the phone, having tea and snacks, spending time with family, most of our daily activities happen right here. And because it's used so much, a little mess is almost unavoidable. Newspapers, books, toys, coasters, TV and AC remotes. By the next morning, everything is usually scattered on the table. It may look quite messy at first glance, but honestly, it takes just 2 minutes to fix. Simply stack the newspaper and books, place the remote back in one spot, clear the table and quickly fluff and adjust the cushions. And that's it. In just 2 minutes, the living room looks neat again. Since this is the first space anyone notices and a big part of your home's first impression, it's always worth keeping it clean and organized. Next is a very high traffic area that gets messy very quickly, the foyer or the home entrance. We have a shoe rack at our entrance, and because it has a flat surface, anything we bring from outside often gets placed there. Courier packages once received are kept there too. When my son comes back from school, his water bottle lands there. After football class, his football bag is also kept in the same spot. So to manage this, I have placed a big basket here. Whenever things start piling up, I quickly put them neatly inside the basket so the area does not look scattered. As soon as I get a little time, I give it 2 minutes and move those items to their dedicated places. Our shoe rack also has drawers, so quite a few things can be tucked away there as well. And even if I don't immediately have time to put everything back properly, having a basket or hamper helps a lot. The space does not look messy and the visual clutter reduces instantly. A small system makes this high traffic area much easier to manage. The dining table has almost the same situation. Many times after coming back home, we place bags, packages or random items on the table and they stay there until we get time to unbox or sort them. After breakfast, the mats are sometimes left just like that. If you work from home, then books, laptops, snack boxes, water bottles, coffee cups, all of this on the dining table is completely normal. Dirty dishes we usually clear up every day, but the rest of the things can sit there for days. That's why your dining table needs just 2 minutes daily. Simply arrange the items neatly and clear what does not belong there. If you work from home, organize your things properly and keep them to one corner. Use a tray for snack boxes and water bottles so they look contained instead of scattered, and try to remove everything else. The dining table is one of the most frequently used spaces in the house. If it stays cluttered, the whole home starts looking messy because of the visual clutter. But a quick 2 minutes reset can instantly make the space feel clean and calm again. Next is a bedroom. This is a space where we come at the end of the day to truly relax and sleep peacefully. And when you walk in and see a neatly made bed, it instantly feels so comforting. The cleaner and more organized your bedroom is, the calmer and more peaceful it feels. So just give it 2 to 5 minutes daily and make your bed. That's all. Quickly put any dirty clothes into the laundry basket, straighten the bedsheet, fold the blanket and neatly arrange the side table. It hardly takes any time. If you find it difficult to fix the bedsheet every single day, you can switch to good quality fitted elastic bed sheets. They stay in place and don't get disturbed easily. I've personally been using them for years, and because of that, making the bed truly takes less than 2 minutes. You will find the link to the fitted bedsheets on the screen, and I've also added in the description box in case you would like to check it out. Every morning while getting ready in a hurry, we tend to move things around on our dressing table, especially if you're someone who goes to the office and has a busy schedule. The dresser can easily get cluttered and we just leave it like that and rush out. Perfumes, lotions, makeup items, combs, jewelry pieces, slowly the entire surface gets filled up. And then when you actually need something, it's never where it's supposed to be. This happens to me too, especially when I'm in a rush to go to somewhere or getting ready for a shoot. But the moment I come back or once my shoot is done, I give just 2 minutes to reset everything. I quickly place each item back in its spot. That's all it takes, just 2 minutes to reorganize your dresser. The very items we use to make ourselves look presentable should also be kept in a neat and beautiful way. If you go to the office, try this. When you come back in the evening, take 2 minutes and quickly fix your dresser. A small habit, but it makes a big difference. The same problem happens in the bathroom too. While getting ready, the bathroom counter quickly fills up. Body lotion, face wash, face cream, oil, hair dryer, serums, everything gets spread out. Ideally, after bathing or getting ready, we should take 2 minutes right then and put everything back properly. And honestly, that's the best time to do it. Bathroom counters are usually small. Even 4 or 5 items kept carelessly can make the entire bathroom look messy. But the moment you neatly place those small items back in their spots, the bathroom instantly starts looking clean and beautiful again. Just a quick 2 minutes reset makes all the difference. If you work from home and use your desk regularly, it's completely normal for it to get messy. Papers, documents, notebooks, diaries, stationery, hard drives. After using them, we often just leave them on the table. I understand that when you're busy, organizing every single day can feel difficult. But honestly, it's just 2 minutes. And I truly believe all of us can manage that. If doing it daily feels hard right now, then at least once or twice a week. Give it 5 focus minutes and put everything back neatly. You will notice something important. This does not just reduce visual clutter. When your working desk is clean and organized, your productivity and efficiency automatically improve. A cluttered desk only adds to stress. By giving just 2 minutes daily, your desk will always stay neat and ready. And whenever you need something, you will be able to find it easily without wasting time. Simple habit, big impact. Lastly, let's talk about clothes. My closet is mostly quite organized, but my son's closet gets a little messy, especially nowadays as he takes out his clothes himself. And sometimes when my husband is getting ready for work in a hurry, a few clothes get pulled out and left disturbed. I'll quickly refold whatever is lying out of place and put it back where it belongs. Honestly, if you already have a system, it really does not take long. We think it needs a lot of time, but it's just 2 minutes. And that's it. Whatever looked messy, I simply fixed it. Quick reset done. If you give just 2 to 5 minutes daily to reset all these areas, honestly, your home will never reach that extreme level of mess. We live in our homes, we live with our family, so things getting scattered is completely normal. But when we reset them on time, homemaking never feels overwhelming. You don't have to spend hours doing a big cleanup or put in too much effort at once. This one small habit can help you keep your home clean and organized, no matter how busy you are. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. And subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.